Hello folks, welcome to my channel. It's ItsAbeeyola. Today I've got for you this beautiful, amazing passion braid. Yes, passion braid, not passion twist. We've moved on from passion twist. This is some passion braid hair. If you like to see this, then keep on watching. But before we get into it, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos every single week. Also give me a like so I know you like this sort of content so you can see more of it. Share with your friends and your family. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using this braiding hair, Braid Babe, the 3X. I use 2 packs of this. And then I am using bee leaf hair from Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the description. And I'm using about 7 packs of the expression hair. My parting. So I just went down the middle to the sides, and then I did 3 on each quarter, so 3 bundles or 3 braids. 1, 2, 3. And turn around for you guys. So at the back, I went from ear to ear, split that into 2, went up about 2 inches up, and then I did that into 4. And then the top part I did into 3. So I had about 13 braids altogether. So here I'm just going to show you how I kind of prep my hair before doing the braiding. My hair was feeling a bit dry, so I wanted to put some water in. Make sure you don't put too much water in if you are doing the same method, because you don't want your hair to frizz up. And then I am putting some oils in. And I always like to put some water first, like moisture, and then put my oil in. And then I'm going to follow up with some shea butter mix that I mixed myself, like a whipped shea butter. That oil is from Curl Mix. I had gotten it last year, so whatever oil you have, that's fine. So this is my shea butter mix that I did. I'm going to put that in to my hair. It's running out. And then shine and jam. If you are not into like the whole shine and jam, shiny scalp, then you can skip this stage. The reason I actually like doing it is because it makes your hair look neater, and it's kind of helps with tension, like because it scoops everything in place, so you don't have to like be really tight on your scalp. So that's why I like to use it sometimes. All right, so you do need to know how to do a knotless braid to do this knotless passion braid. So I'm going to show you a quick demo. And we're doing the feed-in method for this. So you start off like you're about to braid your hair. Take your braid-in hair and put that with your thumb and your index finger. And then you're going to grab the outer leg with the hair that's on top. And then you just continue braiding. And we're going to do that again. So I'm doing this 3 times for this style. Grab your braiding hair and then put that with your index finger and your thumb, which is under that top hair. And then you're going to grab the outer leg with the top hair, and then you're going to continue the braiding like normal. And we're doing it one more time. Get your braiding hair with your thumb and your index finger and grab the top hair with the outer leg. I'm just going to continue. So with this passion braid, we will be using some passion twist hair. That's what I had at home, and that's what I'm using. You can also use like water wave hair. There's some other kinds of hair that you can use with this, but I had this at home and that's what I'm using. So I'm using 2 strands of this passion braid hair, and I am feeding it in about 3 times. I feed it about 3 times. I think on certain braids I did a bit more than 3 times. So you just kind of go with the flow. There's no, subjective, however you feel you want to use this. Towards the top of my head, I started to use a bit more of the passion braid hair. So just kind of FYI. So this is me halfway done. You can see the color coming in. All right, so this is what I started doing with the colored one, just to fluff it out a bit. I just kind of shook it a little bit. It just makes it a bit fluffy without getting the tangles in. All right, so I'm going to show you this. I'll talk you through it one more time, and then I'll show you another one without talking. All right, so we're doing your feed-in method. Hopefully you already know how to do that. So you're gonna do your feed in, braid it all the way to, make sure you kind of braid your hair in quite tightly at the top, so you're not, it doesn't get frizzy too quickly, because you're gonna pull it out to really give that passion braid look or distressed look to it. So when you've braided most of your own hair in, then you can start braiding a little bit like more loosely. So that way it's easy for you to kind of pull out the hair, which you'll see me do in a moment. So with this actual hair, what I did was I kind of braided all the way to the bottom because I felt it looked neater, so I didn't leave too much hair out. So this is me kind of fluffing out the braid now. So I am aiming for the passion twist hair, so I'm pulling those bits out more than I am with the braiding hair. But you can just free flow with it as you go in. And as you go towards the top of your hair, make sure you are not pulling out your hair as much. You want to make sure you're, using mainly the passion twist hair or your braiding hair, so your hair can last as long as possible. So I'm just going to show you another one. This is kind of a bit faster, but just so you can see, I'm not going to talk you through this, just so you can see how I am doing it. And hopefully you completely understand how to achieve this look. Again, how much braiding hair you use, how much passion twist hair you use is purely subjective. As you're doing it, you see like how you like it, and then you can tweak things. If you want it to be like really, really shiny, then you want to use more of the passion twist hair, because that's, it's got more of a shiny finish. If you want it to look a bit more messy, distressed-ish, then you can do like half and half. All right, folks, so this is the end result I really like it. Initially, when I didn't have enough of the passion twist, the black passion twist hair, and I had to get the colored, the color 20, I think color 30 passion twist hair and add it in, I was a bit like disappointed. I was gonna stop filming, I was gonna stop doing the hair because I just didn't want any color. But I'm so glad I kept on, I pressed on, and I actually like how it looks. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this extra color. I usually do a lot of just plain black hair because that's my comfort area, and I just think it looks most like natural and classic. But let me know what you guys think of this color. I'm actually loving it. I think it looks really cute. I think it complements my skin tone really well. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. Everything, all the details for this hair, the hair that I use, I got all of it from Amazon. I will leave the links down in the description as well. And everything I use to achieve this look, I'll make sure I put in the description. So don't miss out on going in there and checking for any information that you may want to know. A little tip for you guys is when you are braiding this hair and you do it loosely, depending on how the length of your hair, you may want to kind of braid it tight until you braid all of your hair in. So that way, when you're fluffing and taking out the, making it look, distressed or whatever, you're not bringing out your own hair, or your hair isn't kind of coming out of your braids, so your braids can last you a bit longer without your hair kind of sticking out and frizzing up and everything. Okay, so that's it from me. If you have any questions, I really like to hear from you guys, and I really like to communicate with you guys. So let me know, meet me in the comments down below. Let's chit chat, let's talk. Let me know what you think about this hair. Will you be doing it? This is longer than I usually do, so it does have a bit more weight on it, but I do only have about 13 braids in my hair, so it's not a lot. I know it's not like really heavy. It's just I am used to doing like shoulder length hair, so that's why. Let me know if you guys want to see this same style but in a shorter length and in plain black or in a different color. Let me know what you guys think and what you want to see. Alright, so that is it from me. Any questions you may have, leave them in the comments down below. If you've got any tips or anything that can help us out, help me out, let me know in the comments down below as well. And if you haven't already and you're still watching, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos every single week. Actually, multiple videos now every single week. And hit that like so I know you like this sort of content, so I can bring more of it to you and share with your family and your friends. Alright, till my next video, I'll see you later. But before you head out, don't run off. Don't run off. There are other videos coming up, so watch them, binge a little, get yourself a cup of tea or whatever you want to drink and relax. Watch the videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!